Hi everyone, it's Keith Arkenberg Farms. And you know how I love testing tools for the farm, equipment, all that fun stuff that goes with it? Today, I've got a good one, I believe. Olight was nice to send me the new Arkenberg Pro, just released. And let me tell you, just from the box, this thing looks fancy. Almost like the equivalent of like a new phone or something. It's pretty cool. Take it inside, get this thing opened up, and we'll go test it out. So let me show you. So here it is in all this glory. Arc Pro from Olight. Really fancy looking box. It's got a nice zip open, just like a brand new phone would. Open up the case, let's find out what's inside. And there it is, right there. Looks very, very cool. Got different protections for the lens. And we've got one for the controls and charge to activate before first use. So we're going to remove that, get it on the charger. I know we've got some dials up here to where it's got a lock and a selector on it to where you can select the different things you're going to use and a push button. But first, we're going to follow the label directly and go get this thing charged. Now I have this thing powered up, ready to roll. Do a single push, you get your light on. Hold it, it changes its intensity. Like that. Single power off. It's also got power meter on it. Pretty cool. You do a double tap, it goes turbo mode, which taking it outside, which we're getting ready to do, makes it to where you can see it from a lot further away. I also have the option of selecting floodlight and blacklight, which is great for finding hornworms or looking for things you don't want to find. Now for the real test, going outside, going away from objects, shining this thing on stuff, and seeing how well this actually works. Let me tell you, been playing with it, I'm rather impressed. Let's go check it out. So I'm out in the field. It's really hard to see because trying to shoot in the dark is like virtually impossible. But I'm going to turn it around and shine on some objects around here. I've got like a trailer down here. I've got the building that's just a little bit ways away, probably 200 feet. And I got the other end of the field, which is roughly about 1,000 feet away. Supposedly goes 1,500 meters on the brightest mode. We'll see what it does and kind of show you how this thing works. Here we go with the regular light. We are looking at about 25 feet away. You can see the container. But the trailer over here at about 50 foot, barely make it out. Hold the button, switch up to the next setting. Now we can clearly see the trailer at 50 foot. And barely a hint of the barn down there, just kind of starting to reflect. We hold again, and there clearly at about 300 foot, we can see this shed. And I'll tell you right now, this filming of it does not quite do it glory. We'll turn it off, which is in a push, and then double push, and we go into turbo mode. You can see that it is even brighter now at this point. Trailer's clearly there. Container is clearly there, glowing in the dark. See if we can see the tree line down there. Not quite, but you can start to see this tree line right here, which is about the same distance as the barn. So we can't exactly see the tree line right now. I can see it barely glowing. It's starting to get hazy out here as well, starting to build in some fog. Now we'll go over to the spotlight. And here is floodlight on level 1. Barely see the container 25 feet away. Not a chance seeing the trailer over there. Long press. This is level 2, much brighter. Starting to see the trailer, just barely. We get a level 3, clearly with the floodlight here, we can actually see the trailer right there in front of us, but we can't see the barn. But the container, again, very, very bright. So the blacklight mode does not show up very well on camera, but this is most intense. And see, this is the kind of stuff you start to see on stuff, which is most likely bird droppings on this container. A little bit of the different blow form mold when it was blown. You can see the different lines here. And just little speckles everywhere. But yeah, this is not really the purpose of this light. It's more of having the light to actually see at night. Now, I really love testing tools here on the farm. And thank you for Olight for sending this over to me. Really enjoyed it. It's pretty cool. I mean, that little thing there will make a light that will literally shine halfway across my field when I'm coming out at night. And the size is just the remarkable point. And it's got a USB-C charger on the end and a magnetic charger on the end here as well that comes with the kit. And on top of that, it's actually magnetic, so it sticks to things. And hat clip as well. Now, I like it. You can go check us out through my Amazon affiliate link, which will be right down below. Go over to the Amazon store, check it out, buy it if you want, make a great holiday gift for people. And also, there will be a link that most likely popped up during this. Click on that as well. It's more affiliate through YouTube. That helps support the content you're watching, helps support the farm, and everything I do to help educate the farming public and everybody else out there. So all in all, give it a thumbs up. This is going to be right next to my front door because it's light, small, easy to carry, and I really dig it because I'm tired of wandering around out here in the dark and running into stuff constantly, because I do that actually way too consistently when I'm out here. So as always, hope y'all liked your Saturday. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, go check out the Arc Pro Olight. Get one today. Thank y'all. Keep farming. Have a good day.